Changing your primary email on BOK Financial is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email information efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the BOK Financial website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select email preferences. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your primary email. Look for the field that displays your current primary email address. Enter your new email address in the provided space and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your email, make sure to click the Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on BOK Financial will be successfully changed. Always remember to check your new email for any confirmation messages.